Hey, 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 hey. We're gonna put this shit on MySpace, man. Okay, look at Marianne being retarded, and she thinks that she's not gonna fall off the freaking comma. Look at this shit.
Ready, set, go.
Run to her. See what happens to it. See what happens to it.
Okay, let's do it again.
Ha! Child ha! This is a science experiment. Come on, Kayla. Hey, be careful with her foot.
Fail 2. Alright, child 3.
Get the fuck out. Sorry, we went to the park and shit like that. Okay.
I'm sorry I can't go to school on Tuesday.
She's like in the hospital, you know. Humiliation. Humiliation. Ha! I told you.
Alright, you Adam.
Bye bye. Come on, we're not gonna show it.
Okay. Ah, see? Oosh.
Fakey number 1. Number 2. Trial number 2.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh.
Horny.
Okay. One more time. Wait.